You, yes, you, having problems in making your documents, editing your prompts, or even designing your projects that look bland and have no design at all? Well, maybe you should check out the application that I will introduce to you. Canva, a user-friendly, all-in-one online graphic design platform that empowers anyone to create professional visuals like social media posts, presentations, videos, and websites using templates, drag and drop tools, and exclusive library of elements, photos, fonts accessible via web browser or apps. Now you might be wondering, why should you use Canva? There's a lot of options out there, but I'll tell you why you should pick Canva, especially the advantages and the disadvantages of it. Now without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. It's just so easy to use. Seriously, you can drag and drop your way through the whole thing. Even if you never designed anything in your life, you'll have decent social post or presentation ready in minutes. Number 2. You're never stuck staring at a blank page either. There are thousands of templates for everything resumes, Instagram Reels, you name it. All of them look polished right out of the box. Also, we have number 3. It's a cloud-based system, which means you can pull up your work from any device anywhere. Teamwork, simple. Everyone can jump in, leave comments, and tweak a simple design together in real time. Now that we are done with the advantages, let me tell you about the disadvantages of Canva. So first, your design can start to look a bit bland if you stick to the default templates. With millions of users reaching for the same layout, things can get repetitive fast unless you really put in the work to customize. Number 2, you don't get pro-level editing tools here either. There's no masking, no advanced photo touch-ups, and you can't draw your own custom shapes from scratch like you can in Photoshop or Illustrator. Third, when it comes to printing, quality can be a headache. Canva exports mostly in RGB, which looks great on the screens, but isn't what professional printers want. They use CMYK for color accuracy. Plus, you don't get tight control over things like bleeds and margins, so your prints might not come out exactly how you hoped for. And lastly, if you want to hand off your design to a pro later, you're out of luck. Canva won't give you raw files like PSD or AI. If you stop your subscription, you lose access to your editable design. So, do you like my explanation? Will you download or rethink about using Canva? It's up to you. Thank you for watching this video.
Alright.